Hello, welcome to Texture Myth. So far we have discussed how to design external printer file as well as how to design the program describe or internal printer file. So once you are done with the designing of the printer file, means your printer file is created. Now suppose if there is any requirement where you want to share that printer file with some other person and via mail. So in that case what we need a printer file as a soft copy in a PDF format, right? So how to download this spool file, or you can say printer file in a PDF format? So for that I will show you one example which is quite easy and through which you can easily download your spool file and then you can share the same with someone through the email. So let's see how to do this. So for that, firstly I am using the same program which we have created in last session, which is for program describe printer file. You can download any printer file, even any spool file also, because both are same, right? So now I'm compiling this and generating the report. So it is compiled successfully. Now I'm calling this. So it is generated. So once my report is generated, now what I will do, I will go to spool file using sp command. Either I can use sp or I can use work splf command. Both will work same. Okay, so both will take me to this screen. Now here I will press shift F6 to go to the last generated spool file. So you can see that this is my file qsysprt, because we are using program describe printer file, so it is coming as a qsysprt system printer file, right? Now you can take option 5 here to view the spool file. So you can see that this is the file which is generated. So till here we have already discussed like how to generate, right? Now what we will do, we will download it. So to download the same spool file, what you can do, you can easily locate one icon on the access client solution, which is here, view spool files in a output queues. So once you click here, it will open a window for access client solution, where you will see the list of all spool files which are in our library. So you can see it is showing all the list of spool file, and these spool file in new to old order, right? So whatever the latest generated spool file is at the top, and the least means last generated spool file is up at the bottom. So from here, like whatever the spool file you want to download, just locate that and right click on that. So let's say I want to download this one which we have recently created. So I will press right click here, and here you can see these options: download only, download and view, download, view only, hold, release, delete and move. So here I will take option view only for now. So once I click here, it will open a default browser where you can see the spool file is here. Okay, so my spool file is visible. So this is the same thing that we have designed: page number, employee report, and date. It is showing the employee IDs, employee salary, right? So this is how we can view. In the same manner, if you want to download this file, then you can go to this option, download and view. So what it will do, it will download the file in your location, means in your system, and as well as it will show this thing also, right? So this is how we can easily download the spool file using access client solution option, this view spool files in an output queue. Okay, so I hope it is clear to all of you. This is very important step, because when you are going to share anything with someone through mail or any other platform, then you need one download or download copy for your printer file or report. So through access client solution you can easily download the spool file as we just discussed. So I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Texture.